Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off emoji suggestion on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to turn off the emoji suggestion in your Samsung keyboard, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on general management and from here tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And on this page, you will find the option of suggest emojis. Now, if you want to turn off the emoji suggestion feature, just disable this toggle and you will disable the emoji suggestion feature on your Samsung keyboard. Just like that. And if you want to enable the emoji suggestion feature, just enable suggest emojis. And you will enable the emoji suggestion on your Samsung keyboard. And this is how you can turn on and off emoji suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.